मैं डॉक्टर सुदीप भट्ट वेलकम करता हूं आपका फार्मास्यूटिकल जीएमपी ट्रेनिंग सेशन में. सो माय फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जीएमपी, व्हाट इज जीएमपी and what are the basic principles of GMP? Now we will discuss about this. So as per Drug and Cosmetic Act, GMP is that part of quality assurance which ensure that the product consistently manufactured and controlled to their quality standard, appropriate to their intended use and as required by the marketing authorization. So my friend, this is the basic definition of GMP as per Drug and Cosmetic Act. So now we will discuss about the basic principles of GMP. So there are certain principles of GMP. I will explain one by one, which we have to follow during the batch manufacturing, during the product manufacturing, whatever the doses we are going to manufacture, whether it is tablet, capsule, ointment, external preparations, all these, and parental preparations also. So as per Drug and Cosmetic Act, GMP has to be followed for all. So it is very necessary. First principle of GMP is write the procedure, then follow the written procedure, qualification of the system, of the machineries, of the equipments, validation of the system, machineries, process, equipments, documentations, then training, evaluations, then corrective and preventive actions, risk assessment and gap analysis. These are the basic principles of GMP which we have to follow during batch or product manufacturing. थैंक यू माय फ्रेंड्स. अगर आपको ये वीडियो मेरा पसंद आया है तो मैं इसी तरीके से ट्रेनिंग सेशंस आपके पास लेके आता रहूँगा और आपको कोशिश करूँगा कि फार्मा इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड नॉलेज देता रहूँ.